Hello guys, so there were some confusions about the Samsara app. Actually, that is for all of them. So if you are, whether you are class A or class B shopper, it doesn't matter. So you have to do your duties, and the cleaning part is one of your duty. So that is the 28 passengers bus, and that is the 49. So today I'm gonna show you on the Samsara app. So I have a Samsara app account. So I'm just gonna show you right over here. It just doesn't. Yeah, I can make sure. So for example, I'm gonna clean the 49 passengers. I just need to choose the 49 and I will confirm it, and then I'm gonna go to DVIR, and as I will say create DVIR and switch to on duty. One more time, create DVIR, tractor only, and I will choose pre-trip. Please don't forget, because some people just forget it, and we cannot see if you do not specify the inspection type, which is pre or post trip. So before your trip you need to do your pre-trip, and right over here it says front, back, driver side and a passenger side, and title is walk around. So for the walk around, you can just go to your vehicle and you can click on select front photo, take a photo, and that is the front side. Actually, that is going to be kind of hard because the 49 and the 28 passengers are too close, but you can just take a picture just like that. Please use the horizontal side. So when you open the camera, you just need to click one more time, only once, because it's gonna help it focus, and we'll take the picture and you will say check, and then you're going to the back side for the second picture. We're gonna say take photo again, and so right now we are going to go to the back of the vehicle. So I came here, took a picture, click once on the screen, took the picture, and check. So it uploaded the second one. It says the driver's side, so I took just like that. But if there is any effect, any impact, any damage, for example, just like that, this is one of the damages that this vehicle have on the driver's side. So I would like to specify that. I come over here, click on the screen once, and take picture. And I will go to the other side for the passenger side. I will say take photo again. So for example, okay, that thing is red, new one. We had, look at that, it's just falling down, shit. So I'm gonna report that. I'm gonna check who's done that. I think I know already, but I want to make sure. So, and this is a problem because that is a electrical material, you know. There's a system here, so if it rains and if it just gets in, most likely that's gonna be out of order, it's gonna be broke. So I would like to make sure that I'm gonna come here and take a picture. For example, this side, I took only one picture here, but it has more. On this side, on the driver's side of the vehicle, there are more impacts. So for that, I'm gonna go to the add remove vehicle defects, click on it. I'm gonna go very bottom, check the other, select photo, take photo, and we'll take one more picture here. Okay, I did. But if they look at this picture, they're not going to understand which one it is or which side it is. So then I'm gonna go to here and click on enter comments, and we'll say the driver's side, scratch. So that is enough for, well, scratch, yeah. So that is enough for that. And then I'm gonna put a comma for the other ones. So for example, there are a very big list here. If you watch the other video, how to use Samsara app video, there is a very big list. It has almost 30 different sections. So you need to check all the vehicle, okay? You need to check all the vehicle. So for example, before or after, I mean pre-trip or post-trip, doesn't matter. For that you have to get in the vehicle and you need to check everywhere. For example, this is the entrance of the bus, and for example there are some stuff, there are some crumbles or the paper or something like that. So you just need to click on it, take a picture, upload it, and we'll specify in the comment, you'll say stairs, for example, and put another comma. And when you get in the car, so, and then if it's not clean, you will start. But if it is clean, you can just, if you are exactly satisfied, you can just leave. But after you came, I mean after your run, you are okay and you need to leave. Before that, you have to check all the vehicle. For example, just look at here. Look at here. There are some crumbles. Someone ate cookie. I think something like that. Here again, on the floor, on the seats, and you cannot get, but it stinks. So you need to check it. So, but before your trip, in your pre-trip, you just need to come over here. Let's say this one is pre-trip. For example, right over here. Here is very, very dirty. You just need to come over here. You need to select a photo, take a photo, and you are going to focus here and take a picture. And then you are going to say here, front passenger, front passenger seat floor dirty, something like that. So you need to specify it. So because we can understand that the driver used this car before you, just left it like that. So everyone needs to leave it very clean and it must be ready for the next run. So you have to specify, you have to take a picture of this place, stairs. If there is any problem on the seats, especially crumbles, or there are some things like very shiny stuff. For example, right over here, I just seen there is a bottle or something like that. So you can find a lot of piece of trash. So you just need to take a look. You just need to check what's going on here, and if it is okay, then you can leave. But if it's not, in your pre-trip, if it's not, you need to report it. You need to report everything, because we will come here and we will say, okay, the driver before you just left it like that and you are not satisfied, and they have to be ready for the next run. So I'm repeating one more time. You need to take the pictures of the driver's side and the passenger side, the front seats and the floors. You need to get in the vehicle and you need to take the pictures of stairs and the seats, and if there is any problem with the floor, for example, it might be a spot that's sticky, or there are some crumbles, there are some trash or something like that. And also if there is damages on the vehicle, please take your pictures and let us know. So when you are done, you just need to say done, and you need to say one more time done. So all the defects are saved here. It says driver side scratch, stairs, front of passenger seat, floor dirty, and you will say next, and it asks you if it is safe or not. If it's safe, you will say of course yes, the safe, and certify and save. So you are done. You are done with your pre-trip. So you did your let's say you did your trip already, you did your run, you are going to come again here, create DVIR, tractor only, and then you are going to choose the post trip. And then you are going to do the same thing. But before that, before you took the pictures, you need to clean the vehicle. You have to. This is one of your duty. You need to help the others. We need to make sure the vehicle you used is ready for the next run, for the next chauffeur. So we need to respect each other. You need to respect your co-workers, to other chauffeurs. So let's say you cleaned, by the way, this is the vacuum we have. It is in the office, in the press room in the office. So you can just take it outside and you can vacuum the floor. And also you should. This is one of your duty, like I said. So you vacuumed it. There are some like mops or like the wet wipes. I think, yeah, that's called. So you just need to find it. You just need to come in the car, come in the vehicle. You need to clean it. You vacuumed, you mopped, you wiped out all the seats. You are sure that is clean, that is ready for the next run, and then you can take the pictures. If there is any problem, you can add or remove vehicle defects, and then you are gonna say next, vehicle is safe for the next run, certify and save, and you are done. And then you are coming back and you are going to sign out. You have to sign out. Please don't forget. Please remember. So if you do not sign out, for example, for example, my name is right there. It says John, and I am one of our chauffeurs, and I used the vehicle and I just left it like that. For example, Rambir is the next one. Rambir is the next chauffeur for the next run. So he's gonna come back, and if he doesn't realize that is me, that is my account, so he's gonna be using it. So that is the big confusion. So we don't want to do that. Please make sure that you already sign out. If there is any problem, just let me know, and if there is anything I can help you with, please let me know. Thank you.